The Barred Plymouth Rock chicken, also known as simply the Plymouth Rock or Barred Rock, is an American breed that originated in the mid-1800s in Massachusetts. It was developed from a mix of breeds including the Dominique, Black Java, and possibly the Cochin. The breed quickly became popular among American farmers for its hardiness, productivity, and adaptability to a range of climates. Barred Plymouth Rocks were widely raised for their meat and eggs and quickly became a common sight on small farms and homesteads across the country. Today, the breed remains popular for its versatility and friendly temperament. It is a medium-sized, dual-purpose bird that is commonly kept for both its meat and eggs. The breed has a distinctive black and white striped or barred plumage, which gives it its name. The hens typically weigh around 7 to 8 pounds, while the roosters can weigh up to 9 to 10 pounds. They are known for their calm and friendly temperament, making them a good choice for backyard flocks. Barred Plymouth Rock hens are also known to be good layers, producing large brown eggs on a regular basis. They can be raised with other breeds of chickens and tend to get along well with them. However, it is important to provide enough space for all the birds to avoid overcrowding and potential aggression. Barred Plymouth Rock hens are also good foragers and enjoy free ranging, but can also adapt well to living in a coop if given enough space and access to fresh food and water. They may need protection from predators such as foxes or raccoons, so it's important to provide a secure coop and run for them. Overall, Barred Plymouth Rock hens are a versatile and easy to raise breed that can integrate well into a mixed flock. Barred Plymouth Rock hens are known to be hardy and easy to care for, making them a good choice for beginners. They adapt well to a variety of living conditions, are friendly and calm, making them a great choice for families with children. As with any hen, it is important to provide them with a balanced diet, fresh water, and a clean living space to promote their health and well-being. They do well when given plenty of space to roam and scratch, and they can be raised in both free-range and confined settings.